Happy Friday, friends! It's Sintang Mayumi here. I have my Christmas card series number 10 for you today. I will be using Pink and Main Mugs and Kisses stamp set. I love these images, especially the Santa mug. Here I already have my images on the paper. I just need to pick them up with the lid of my MISTI. And I'm going to ink them up with Versafine Onyx black ink on 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper. As always, I'm going to color the images with my Zig Markers. I'm just going to show you how I color this Santa mug here, and then I will color the rest of the images off camera. I'm gonna let you watch this part and I will be back when the coloring is done. And here are my colored images. I also went ahead and fussy cut them off camera. I also colored and fussy cut some cinnamon sticks, candy canes, marshmallows, and whipped cream. I will add them on top of the mugs later in the video. The paper pad I will be using is Recollection Christmas Noel 6x6 paper pad. I got the paper a few years ago at Michael's. I end up not using the other paper pad that you see in the screen. And here I'm detaching the papers that I will use on my cards. To die cut my pattern papers and my white cardstock, I will use Elizabeth Craft Design Dashing Rectangles and Spellbinders Fancy Edge Ovals die set. Let's go ahead and add some of the small images on top of the mugs. I will cut a slit on top of the mugs so we can tuck in those elements and it will look like it's part of that image. And then I will secure them with tape on the back and add a little bit of liquid glue. And now it's time to assemble the cards. I'm just showing you here the pieces that I die cut earlier. For the sentiment, I chose the Mama Elephant Wishful Taggins stamp set. I need a smaller sentiment that will fit on the lower part of the oval die cuts. So I will use Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas sentiments, and I will stamp them with Versafine Onyx black ink. Once you die cut, fussy cut, and colored everything, putting them together is super easy. This is one of the fun part for me, adhering everything together. I thought the white ovals are plain, so I added a little bit of color so my mugs can pop more, because they are the focal point on the cards. The Peacock Feathers Distressed Oxide ink is a good color background for my mugs. I will adhere my mugs in the middle of the oval with foam tape and a little bit of liquid glue. And for the inside of the cards, I stamp a sentiment from the stamp set, and I'm using Kaleidocolor Tomato Vine ink. And my cards are complete. These are very cute Christmas mugs. I think Pink and Main did a great job on the stamp set. I hope you like today's cards and get inspired. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.